Hey everybody, this is Chris with Flat Six Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing a set of Fabspeed wing risers on this 718 GT4 right here. So what exactly are wing risers? Well, wing risers are these little metal brackets, and what they do is they bolt onto the wing's base where it would usually mount, and then to the wing's brackets, and essentially makes the wing taller by however long the bracket is. So this one from Fabspeed is about 4.5 or 5 inches taller. So this extra 4 or 5 inches is gonna raise the wing more into the airstream of the car, and that way it's gonna make better use of it to produce a little more downforce, and also it's gonna make the car look a lot more aggressive too. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is remove this wing right here. So now we've got our wing removed, and we're gonna go ahead and install our wing risers on the bases here. Now, one thing that we're gonna do while we're installing this wing is we're gonna put it on the setting 2 in terms of the wing adjustment, because this wing is adjustable. So the pitch angle can be rolled a little bit extra forward to create a little more downforce, but of course it's gonna cause a little bit more drag. Since this car is more of a track focused vehicle, not a straight line vehicle, I think we're gonna go with that little extra downforce. Now, if you ask me, that doesn't look too shabby right there. The increased height has a really great aesthetic appeal, and as we discussed, it does add a little bit more downforce to have it more into the airstream of the car. I hope you enjoyed today's installation video. If you did, go ahead and like or comment down below, and stay tuned for the next one.